How to change your Amazon password. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In this guide video, I will simply show you how you can change your Amazon account's password. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, changing your Amazon account's password will change all of your services passwords such as Amazon Prime Video, Amazon Shopping, Amazon Alexa, and so on. But anyway, you can open any of the Amazon shopping applications. So let me just go ahead and open the Amazon app, and I will tap on this little profile icon at the bottom. Once I tap on the profile icon, you'll be able to see a list of all these options. All you have to do is at the top, you'll find a section which is your account. Tap on your account button. As you select your account, you'll be able to see a list of different options. You simply have to go to this option which is login and security. And as you go to login and security, again, you'll see a bunch of various options. Now over here, you'll find a section which says password. So tap on the edit button next to password. As soon as you tap on the edit button next to password, you simply have to enter your current password first of all. So let me go ahead and then choose to enter my current password. Once you enter your current password, you might also want to enter the new password to which you want to change to. So let me just go ahead and choose a new password for my account as well. Once you enter the new password which you want to use, all you have to do is tap on the Save Changes button. And as soon as you tap on the Save Changes button, let's say, you have successfully changed your Amazon account's password. So you can go ahead and then now come back to this page, and now you could basically go ahead and then log into other accounts such as Amazon Prime using the new password which you have. For example, if I go ahead and select Prime Video over here, you could basically go ahead and log into that account as well using your new password. By default, if you were logged in, you could be logged out, so you could basically be careful on that as well. Hopefully this video helped you in either way. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.